Okay, first thing I need to do to move the turkey tractor is to take the metal watering cans out so that they don't get run over and smushed.
I want to come.
chirping? They're chirping because they're super happy. They love new grass.
Yes, I do.
Okay, we're a few weeks out from turkey butcher date, and some of the heritage turkeys looked like they didn't have quite enough fat on them. And so to put some fat on them, I'm giving them some cracked corn and also some sunflower seeds. So, sorry, these are super loud, I know. So I've been mixing these about 50-50, maybe a little bit more cracked corn. Yeah. Okay, see? So when I get to their feeder, it's really on my sleeve. Anyways, when I get to their feeder, what I've been doing is putting the feed in a nice thick layer of the turkey feed, and I've been using a game bird feed since I am keeping some of these for breeding. These turkeys, I've been feeding them game bird feed to keep them nice and healthy and grow more significantly, which may have already put some fat on them, but I've decided they need a little bit more fat, the other ones that I'm going to butcher. So I've been doing a layer of the turkey game bird feed, and then a little bit of layer of this, and then just kind of layering it in the feeder so that they can get a little bit of it instead of just like going to the bucket that has the candy in it, basically the candy, and eating the candy and not the feed. So I've been mixing it, and yeah, we'll go do that now.
Yeah. Booyah! Mom, watch this. Right here.
What? I want to see how you're doing that. Show me. Oh, you gotta push it a little bit.
No, you don't. Okay, I mean, it's gonna rise up. No, it flipped.
Okay.
1, 2,
There's always something to do on the homestead. On your watch. Pretty awesome.
Okay, I'm just gonna do it again. Bye bye. Ah!
The feeder is on, like, screwed to the door.
Yeah?
So with the turkey tractor, I'd say the biggest frustration right now is watering. Way up here on the hill, Walter is turning the water on for me. And I have to run a hose all the way out there. So, working on solutions, but I think the best solution is that we're going to have to run a water line. out there, which the garden's right here, and there is a spigot there. So I'm thinking hopefully next year we can dig a water line in to out there. And out here we also want to put in more pasture paddocks and have more room for cows. We do have some more drainage stuff to take care of because we do still have standing water, which we have already put in a bunch of drainage. But yeah, so the water is really the most frustrating part of the turkey tractor, but it's okay. We can deal with it. They're good. So here we go. Let's go fill the water. Yeah, sometimes this process takes a while. We were filling the other one, Frederick. Yeah? I won't bore you with this. Although he is cute.